stretch marks are caused by tearing of the dermis. This is often from the rapid stretching of the skin associated with rapid growth or rapid weight changes. Stretch marks may also be influenced by hormonal changes associated with puberty, pregnancy, bodybuilding, or hormone replacement therapy. Signs and symptoms.
Stretch marks are a result of skin stretching and an increase of cortisone in your system.
Stretch marks can cover large areas of the body. While pregnancy is the main cause behind stretch marks, other reasons can be sudden gain or loss in weight, rapid growth, heredity factors, stress and changes in physical conditions.
Who is at risk for developing stretch marks?
Being a woman, being Caucasian, having pale skin, having a family history of stretch marks, being pregnant, having a history of delivering large babies or twins, being overweight, having dramatic weight loss or gain, using corticosteroid medications.
Medical treatments.
Tretinoin cream works by restoring collagen, a fibrous protein that helps give your skin elasticity. It's best to use this cream on recent stretch marks that are red or pink. This cream may cause skin irritation. Pulsed dye laser therapy encourages the growth of collagen and elastin. It's best to use this therapy on newer stretch marks. Fractional photothermolysis.
Microdermabrasion.
The XM laser stimulates skin color, melanin, production so that stretch marks match the surrounding skin more closely. Natural ways to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Castor oil, which is used in the treatment of a number of skin problems such as wrinkles, age spots, moles, dark spots, fine lines and pimples, can also be used to get rid of stretch marks. Eggs are a rich source of protein. For stretch marks, you want to use only the egg whites, which contain amino acids and proteins. Aloe vera is effective in the treatment of many skin problems. Its healing and soothing properties can be used to get rid of stretch marks. There are a couple of ways to apply it.
Another simple way to lessen stretch marks is to use lemon juice. Lemon juice is naturally acidic, which helps heal and reduce stretch marks, acne, and other scars.
Potato juice contains vitamins and minerals that foster growth and restoration of skin cells. Alfalfa leaves contain 8 essential amino acids which are good for overall health of the skin. They are also rich in protein and vitamins E and K, which help nourish the skin. Cocoa butter is also very beneficial in treating stretch marks. Being an excellent natural moisturizer, it helps nourish your skin and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Olive oil contains a lot of nutrients and antioxidants that help improve various skin problems including stretch marks. Keeping your body well hydrated helps protect the skin from any kinds of problems and also aids in detoxification. It also helps keep the skin supple and restores elasticity. Remove stretch marks using Vicks Vapor Rub.